Climate changing sprayer. It's Monday 15th of August 2022. It must be about 20 past 10. And this thing is coming up from the east. Totally unnatural flight path for me around here, as I've explained countless times. Where are all the other aircraft then? Eh? I've seen one earlier this morning, that was it. So they've all gone on holiday again, have they? Taking the stand off strike. Look at it. Not reported on the BBC or ITV because they cannot acknowledge it. If they acknowledge it, then they know that we're going to sue the arse off of everybody involved. I reckon the atmosphere making us breathing God knows what. Prove me wrong, prove me wrong. See how rapidly that one's changing into supposed cloud. Okay. And what do clouds make? Or weather. And what's weather? Climate. Change the clouds, change the climate. It ain't rocket science. Proving me wrong.